Hi, and welcome to Arizona Business Today, highlighting local business owners right here in Arizona. And I want you to meet Bo Lane. He is with EB Lane. It's a full-service ad agency. Good to see you, Bo, and congratulations on your Ad Man of the Year. See the billboards.
Well, thanks, Jan. That's a great honor. I'm proud to be the Ad Man of the Year in 2013.
Well, you deserve it. I mean, you inherited a family business and really turned it into a gold mine. Tell me how it started and what you do.
Well, the business started in 1962. My father started it, and I came into the business in the late 80s and took over in the 90s. And we're an advertising, public relations, interactive firm. We put together integrated campaigns for our clients that really delves into what buyer behaviors are and how we can communicate to their customers to gain more sales and success for our clients.
When your dad started, they didn't have social media, so it's got to be really, really interesting for you these days.
The business continually evolves, and it's a fascinating business to be in because of that.
Bo, you're all about building relationships and making great contacts, and you've had that with your relationship with National Bank of Arizona. Tell me how they've helped you grow your business.
Well, we have a great relationship with National Bank of Arizona on several levels. They're our bank, and they work with us every day to understand our needs to grow, and what we love about them is they understand the entrepreneurial spirit, and that's key to our business because we deal with that every day. We help our clients grow, and they help us be in a position to do that.
It's a win-win situation. Is Arizona a wonderful place to do business?
I love doing business in Arizona. It's a growth state. It's full of positive people with great attitudes who want to grow and do business, and that's been very helpful for us.
Bo, thank you so much, and again, congratulations.
Thanks, Jan. My pleasure.
And we hope you join us again next week for Arizona Business Today, sponsored by National Bank of Arizona.